So today in this video we will understand that what is ELK stack. And before that, let me tell you a story. So there was a king who rules a very big country, and that country has many states and regions. As the king was very kind and generous, he always wanted to know, does people in this country are happy or what are the problems they are facing. To know his people, he appointed some agent, and those agents will travel to each part of the country and collect information and report the information to the king. So agents start traveling to different part of the country and bring information about people and hand over this information to king. This was the point when problem began. Actually, king was a very busy person and it requires a lot of time to read all the recorded information. And king has to be available when agent come back from country, but king need all info on regular basis whenever he want. To solve this problem, king appointed 3 agents with different tasks. Agent 1 has to collect information about people from country and pass this information to agent 2. Agent 2 store the information with him so king can refer it later whenever he want. And lastly, agent 3 read all the information, prepare its summary and represent that to king. If you understand this, then you probably understand that what is ELK stack. No, I'm not joking, seriously. Alright, so you may remember your school time when a lecturer teach you something and you note it down in your notebook. Similarly, when an application run on a computer or a server, it also note down important things in a file. This file is known as application log file. And this log file is not useful for the user who is using the application, but it is very important for the developers who makes the application. So when an application developer want to read his log file, then he had to follow following steps. Firstly, he has to log into the server or computer where the application is running, then navigate to the folder or location where log file is generated by application, and finally read the log file. Now assume that you are the developer of an application and you want to read the log file. But what if your application is running on thousands of servers or computer? Then you have to perform this step 1000 times, and this is the problem. And if you remember that this problem is similar to the king's problem. Like king need to collect the information from so many states. Similarly, we need to collect logs from so many servers or computer. If problem is similar, then solution is also similar. So to collect the information from server, we appointed Logstash. Logstash provides its information to ElasticSearch, and ElasticSearch store all the information so it can be referred later. And finally, Kibana is the one who represented data to the developer. So I hope with this you will never forget that what is ELK stack. In next video we will discuss how ELK stacks actually works. So thank you so much.